Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful stitch right here. This crochet stitch you will hear called and referred to as different names by different designers. Essentially, most of them are worked the same way. This is referred to as the camel stitch. It is also referred to as working in the back bar of a half double crochet and the third loop of a double crochet. And I will show you how to work all of those. This is a beautiful stitch that has the same look on both sides of your crochet piece. To work this stitch, you can begin with any number of stitches. Today I just worked 10 stitches to kind of hopefully quickly show you how to work it. I just have a row of single crochets. You can begin with any type or even a beginning chain if you'd like. I'm going to chain one and turn my work. The first row is always going to be a row of half double crochets. So we're just going to crochet going across our row and half double crochets. This stitch, the camel stitch, or working in the third loop or the back bar, you always have to work a half double crochet, and I will show you why in just a minute. Okay, so again, just working half double crochets here. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So here's my row of half double crochet. You're going to chain one and turn your work. Now if you look at the half double crochet closely, if you rotate, you can see the tops of your stitches. This back bar right here is your back loop. The front is called the front loop. A half double crochet also creates this loop or this ridge right along here. And if you pull your stitches apart, you can see this, see it right here. This is considered the third loop of a half double crochet. Sometimes it's referred to as the back bar because it is a bar that's created on the back side of your half double crochet. So we are going to crochet working into only that back bar or third loop of the half double crochet. So yarn over, going from the bottom to the top, grab that loop, pull up a loop, and complete your half double crochet. Yarn over, grab the next, so again, if you pull them apart, you can see, here's your top of your stitch, and there's the bar right here. So yarn over, insert from the bottom to the top, pull up a loop, and complete the back bar. After you work a couple of these stitches, the top of the stitch kind of rotates back, and it's easy to kind of almost pinch it, and then you can find that back bar easier. So yarn over, insert from the bottom to the top of that back bar, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert from bottom to top, pull up a loop, and complete their half double crochet. We're just going to continue this all the way across the row. Okay, so I completed crocheting in the back bar all the way across my row. As you can see, it kind of gives your work a unique look because the stitch is kind of jagged over a little bit. Now we're going to chain one and turn, and you're going to see that ridge and how it was created. So this is actually the tops of those half double crochets, and it has been pushed forward by working into that back bar. So now we're going to repeat that row over and over. So again, if you pull these apart, you can see that back bar right here. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that back bar, and work our half double crochet. Work into the back bar and complete the half double crochet. Grab that back bar. So as you can see, now you're creating the ridge on the back side. So there's the tops of the stitch, rotate that over, and you can see that back bar right there. We're going to do this all the way across the row. This creates the crochet fabric is very elastic. There's a lot of elasticity in the crochet fabric when you work this stitch. Whoops. There we go. Okay, so now we've completed all the way across that row. chain 1 and turn our work. And you can see now you have the ridge there. So we're going to go ahead and work another row, working into that back bar. And again, it just kind of slowly starts folding over after you've worked about 2 stitches in the row. It's very easy to identify the back bar of that stitch. All right. I think I've got one more right here. Okay, and then when you return your work, now you can see that there's the 2 ridges in that crochet piece. So just repeating that over and over creates this lovely ridged crochet piece. And as I said, it is very elastic and very stretchy and creates a very, very nice character to your crochet project.